everyone. So welcome to the channel of RD Automation Learning. So in this video, we'll be telling you about the testing job opportunities for freshers as well as for experience. And before we move ahead, let me tell you about a quick thing. So we are going to start a live mentorship program in which you will be getting understanding of TypeScript, Playwright with AI automation. So we are going to cover Playwright there. We are going to cover Playwright with UI automation, API automation, and mobile automation. All the things would be covered, plus TypeScript as a programming language would be covered. So this is a live hands-on mentorship program wherein you would be getting things to learn from the scratch, building the framework from the scratch, and it would include assignments, mock interviews, resumes, everything. So feel free to enroll for this particular program. It's a live mentorship program. It would be starting from 19th of March, 7 p.m. IST onwards. And every day, sorry, we would be connecting for 1 hour every day, right? Now, let me show you some of the job opportunities. So with respect to job opportunities, there are requirements for QA engineer, automation plus manual testing. So shift timing is 2 p.m. to 11 p.m. IST. This is hybrid mode, UK time zone. So they are looking for someone who is having 7 to 10 years of QA experience, someone who is strong in automation plus manual testing, API automation and web automation, bug tracking tools, Jira, TestRail, strong problem solving and analytical skills. Preferred would be CI/CD knowledge, performance testing, cloud, and 1 to 2 members they are looking, and you can apply here. Then there's a requirement for QA automation engineer. So this is a link. I'll be sharing all the links in the first comment of the video itself. Then there's a requirement for automation testing professionals. So the drive, date, and location is Pune, Saturday, 14th of March 26, face-to-face discussion. And they are looking for automation testing with Java. Mandatory skill sets is Java, UI automation with Selenium, REST assured, API testing, design patterns, Cucumber, CI/CD, SQL, SDLC methodologies. Experience required is 6 to 10 years. Notice period is immediate to 90 days. So you can share your CV at this email address. Then there is a requirement for the testers for the location of Bhopal, and it is work from office role. Experience required is 2.5 to 3 years. Hands-on experience in manual testing with the some experience and good knowledge of automation testing is fine. Interview dates would be 14th and 15th of March 26, and in-person interviews would be happening at the Bhopal office on Saturdays and Sundays. So you can apply here, right? It's a link wherein you can apply. Then there's a requirement for freshers as well as for interns. So you can see QA engineer intern, remote job opportunity, and this is the email address. Then game tester, 6 months to 1 year of experience, Noida on-site. This is the email address. Opportunities for experienced professionals, SQA engineer is there. Again, hybrid role, 3 to 5 years of experience, and this is the email address. Requirement, again, then for engineer, 3 to 5 years of experience, build pulse, and this is the email address. QA manual test engineer, 5+ years of experience. It's a remote role. This is the email address. Then QA engineer, banking domain, 6 to 9 years of experience, Chennai, and here is the email address for the same. So there are multiple roles that you can apply. Then there is a requirement for automation test engineers, Trivandrum, and they are looking for someone who is having automation experience with Java. So role is of automation testing with Playwright. Location is Trivandrum, Kerala, or Chennai location is preferred. Experience is 5+ years, and the skill set required is Java, Selenium, Playwright, API automation, API testing, test automation frameworks. So you can share your CV to this particular email address. Okay. So this is with respect to this company. Then there is a requirement for QA automation engineer, web and API. So this is with respect to Bangalore-based location. Okay. So you can apply for this job opportunity. They are looking for somebody who's having experience of 5 to 10 years. Location is Bangalore. Shift timings is 2 p.m. to 10 p.m. Working days will be 5 days a week. Right. And required skill set is should have strong programming knowledge in Java or Python, experience with Selenium, TestNG, JUnit, hands-on experience in REST API, automation testing, familiarity with Git, Maven, Gradle, good understanding of SDLC and STLC. And here is the email address and the contact number. Right. Then there is a requirement for SDET. Again, experience required is 3.5 to 6.5 years. Location is Noida. Skills required is Java, Selenium, REST Assured, TestNG, UI and API automation. So they are looking for somebody who is having experience at automation testing, somebody who has got hands-on with Java, C Sharp, familiarity with CI/CD tools, Jenkins, Git, Docker, experience working in agile environments, familiarity with CI/CD tools, again, knowledge of API testing. So all of these things are required. Then this is a work from home QA opportunity. So they are looking for somebody who can perform QA for call monitoring, sales quality audits, and improve customer interaction quality. So location is remote, salary would be up to 3 LPA plus incentives. Working days would be 6 days a week. Experience required is 1 to 3 years in QA, sales QA, or call center QA. The responsibilities are also given monitoring and evaluate sales calls, chats, and emails, conduct call at audits, and ensure adherence to the sales processes. So if you're interested, you can send your resume to this particular email address, right? Let me share more job opportunities with you. Okay. So there is a requirement for a functional tester now. Right. So the role is a functional tester. Experience required is 6 plus years. Location is Bangalore, Pune. Key skills is functional testing, banking, card payments, domain, Selenium expertise, someone who has got strong SQL skills, right? So if you're interested, you can send your resume to this particular email address, right? Then there is a walk-in drive for freshers for the role of associate software engineer. And the date is of 14th of March, 10 a.m. to 2 p.m. Face-to-face interview would be there. And the company name is provided, CSM Technologies. So if you're interested to kickstart your career in the IT, this is a good opportunity for you. Job location is given, documents to carry, eligibility criteria is given, and the education is given. So these are all the details for the CSM company. And this is a walk-in drive for the freshers, right? Then there's a hiring drive for QA engineer, again, 14th and 15th of March. And you need to apply. You should have a good hands-on experience in manual testing with some experience or good knowledge of automation testing. Location is Bhopal. So this is not a walk-in interview. You have to apply first to this company. If you get a call from this company, you'll be able to uh, get into the walk-in drive. Right. The name of the company is a New Vision, and they have got certificate. They have been great place to work certified as well. So experience required is 2.5 to 3 years, so close to 3 years. Right. Location is Bhopal. So you can apply for this particular job opportunity today itself. Right. Last but not the least, if you are interested for learning Playwright, learning AI, this is a mentorship opportunity for you. Right. It would take nearly 45 days to 50 days, and you'll be able to do hands-on on TypeScript with Playwright, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates.